How you doing, everyone? Here we have a Saeco exprella Evo. The customer brought in this unit because it was leaking water. So we basically took it apart and ran a couple shots, and we found out that the water was leaking from a bad ceramic valve that was right over here. So we replaced that, put her back together, cleaned her off, and now she's working perfectly. Pump is activating. And she's gonna start running the shot soon. And she's firing up now. There she goes. Steady shot. Good call. And as you can see, there are no leaks coming from the unit on either side. No leaks, and a beautiful shot. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you liked it enough, follow our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.